enjoy everything Tobago, the culture, the food, the people, the food. And I am Jolé St. John. I'm a 16-year-old fifth form student at Bishop's High School.
In this second episode of Jolé's Journey, the Junior Secretary of Tourism talks about her entrepreneurial projects and her preparations as she gets ready to represent Tobago at the Regional Tourism Youth Congress in Barbados. This is Jolé's Journey.
So I think most people know that I am a young entrepreneur, but what most people may not know was that I actually started my business when I was just 9. Out of curiosity and problem solving, I designed, obviously with the help of my parents, a business plan, a product. I did a pitch, and then 5-6 years later, I have a full-fledged business. In my family, my father owns his own business, so I would always be around asking questions, wondering how certain processes took place. And I think because of that curiosity, Mommy, she would have took the initiative to sign me up for a camp hosted by Miss Marlene Davidson, and she would have taught us the works of business, from financing to networking, having your business plan. And after that period of time, I was like, why waste the knowledge? I could start my own business because I have a problem and I could design a product to fix it, not just for me but for others as well. So I sell fruit-scented hair oils. They have the scent of specifically Caribbean fruits in currently 6 different fragrances, and the oils would help with simple things like moisture, reducing build-up on your scalp, obviously promoting hair growth. So customers really enjoy interacting with the products and with me. Because tourism is the island's main income generator, I think that encouraged me to view tourism as something not just as another industry, but something that is vital for survival, specifically to Tobagonians and Caribbean countries by extension. So regional preparation is everything local times 10, a lot more research, because I am facing competitors not from Tobago like I would have locally, but people coming from different backgrounds with different heritage, history, but also coming from backgrounds that are a lot similar than we thought. So I have to really fine-tune and zone in what I'm presenting on, so that I don't end up with a presentation similar to someone else's. I have something that stands out, something that is unique to Tobago, and of course preparing for the mystery question. That would just be me educating myself about Tobago's tourism products, tourism in the Caribbean and in the world.
The expectation remains the same as to anything else she participates in, just her giving her best and accepting the results of whatever it is at the end of it. Your participation is not just for winning, but the experience, the exposure, the opportunity to learn from others and to also share.
I expect Jolé to do very well at the regional competition. She has the ability and the knowledge and the research I see she has been doing. She can win it all.
The support system definitely got bigger. I have numerous persons from the Division of Tourism now helping me, guiding me, as well as external help, and of course teachers from school. So the support only grew. I grew up very exposed to Tobago's tourism product, so I was always in the Blue Foods, always in the Jazz Festival. Every year for Heritage I have to go at least 5 different events. Very involved in Carnival, especially from a young age, so everything Tobago was me growing up. I enjoyed the food, the people, the history, the heritage. I went on so many island tours that I lost count, so everything that I did growing up was tourism related in a sense. I really would like to thank my parents for ensuring that I was very exposed to everything Tobago. Getting involved in tourism is something important for youths because, as I said, to answer my mystery question, it gives you a sense of identity. It helps you understand yourself, understand where you come from, so that when you tell people you're from Tobago, you could say it with a sense of surety and a sense of pride, of course. And involving yourself in tourism doesn't just help you in terms of understanding who you are as a Tobagonian, but also helps propel you in terms of careers in tourism and just the world of knowing how to treat with tourists when they visit the island, so that the industry can continue to grow.
Junior Secretary of Tourism Jolé St. John takes a major step forward as she represents Tobago at the CTO's Youth Congress in Barbados. This pivotal moment marks her transition from a promising student to a true leader. with this new chapter of her journey just beginning. This is Jolé's journey.